Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions at AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the 3-wheel GoGo ULTRA X new design. They just changed this design. It comes in black. We just did an unboxing video on the 4-wheel. Here's the 4-wheel. Check out our spec page. Go to our website, information. Have any questions, give us a call, 803-926-2224. So it comes in a 4-wheel and a 3-wheel. This is in the GoGo family, which is a bunch of units. This is the seat, so it'll come on 2 boxes. This is 23 pounds. It's manageable. A new design seat, a new design scooter, only comes in black. You can use household scissors. Take this off. I'm a big 3-wheel guy. A lot of people are 4-wheel. It really depends on what you're going to be doing with it, but this is more of a travel scooter, something easy to get in and out of the car. So it's lighter, and it's affordable. I mean, it's Pride Mobility, so it's going to be a good unit. There's a lot of cheap scooters out there. We like to deal with some of the larger manufacturers that have been around for a while because we feel more comfortable selling something that we can get parts from later. So there's a lot of ways to obviously unbox it, but this is what it's going to look like when it comes in. It'll have this to tell you to stop, and you can read it, or you can watch this video. You just don't have to read that. This unit's about 40 inches in length, and it has a 36-inch turning radius. Inside of here is your manual. You'll have your keys and your this is for your seat post. So I'm just going to open that up and get that out for the rest of the video, and your serial number and everything's on this manual. It's in a lot of different languages. You'll also have your charger, which we'll show you on that one, but this just comes out, and there's also a little manual in here for your charger. Just want to pull that right out also. Put that to the side. Put that to the side. And then you'll have your seat post. So usually you hardly ever get a really damaged scooter, but if the box is torn up and damaged, refuse it or take a bunch of pictures for us so we can have that to go by with the freight company. And there's your seat post. So just take all that out. This has 12 volt, 12 amp hour batteries, so it's going to give you about a range of the 3-wheel about 8 miles at a 200-pound person, and it's about 6.2 miles at a 300-pound person. The front section on this unit is 29 pounds, so it's definitely manageable. This basket's not very big, it's small. It's a smaller basket. It's a smaller scooter. This does hold 300 pounds, which is nice. Here's your battery. First thing you want to do is charge this thing up before you use it overnight. You plug the charger right into there, which we'll show you on that other battery, but you just plug it right into there. We have chapters. Follow the chapters if you want to, not watch this whole video. We hope you do. We hope you subscribe to our channel. And then if you have, make some comments. If you want us to shoot a video or do something different, do a slower video, make a personal video for you, we'll do it. It's not that hard. Just give us a little bit of time. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen this and bring the tiller up. And we're going to remove that off. And as you can see, they have a warning label. Do not operate this scooter until it's 100% charged. We like to do that. You might be able to move it a little bit. We really suggest giving those batteries a full charge. Here's your speed control, horn, battery indicator light. And then on this, we'll show you in a minute, there's your forward, backwards, or vice versa. This won't take you but maybe 15 minutes to put together. Someone could just pick this up and do it faster. I'm going to lift this whole thing up because it's actually not that light. It's about, I don't know, 60 pounds right there. Might be wrong on that. These are 8-inch tires, 2.5 at width, 2 inches in the front. So they've changed this. We'll go over it more in our video. This is a more of like a rubber anti-slip material. But when you get this out, it's not going to turn. So that's a cool feature of loading. You push that in, and now you can turn it. So So let me grab the seat post really fast. You have different adjustments with the seat post. So depends on if you're taller or shorter. You can adjust it. You can adjust it really fast. If you have an extra one, you'd want to keep that in your manual package. But you're just going to want to find the hole or the height, the seat height you want, and the specs are on the page, and you just slide that right through. There's an extra fuse there. That's where your battery goes. So again, you can charge this unit, which is nice, through the battery. Leave this inside your house or inside your car, but take this in. This is about 20 pounds. This battery pack is 20 pounds. And you can also charge it on the unit. So getting this put together. Next thing, what we're going to do, here's the brand new Evo, guys. We just did unboxing video on this nice unit. This is the standard battery one. Let's open the seat box really quick. So very simple, very easy. Just take your mail opener or scissor. Just be careful not to go too deep when you do this. Just cut the tape. And here's the new design seat. It still has your place where you can put an oxygen tank holder or bigger basket, all different types of things. There's different accessories. And you're going to take this is 23 pounds, I think, and just put it right on there. This might be a little snug bringing it up, but it'll loosen up. And this is like a mesh. And then the next thing you do is bring your arms out. And then this is your free wheel. There's a little nod thing back here that lets you put it in free wheel so you can roll it, but it won't work unless it's back here in drive. So what you do here is pull these out, loosen these up, put these right in, and then you can take your pin and just, if you're not doing it like that, you put that pin right back in there like this and tighten it back up, and do the same thing over here. Again, that's your receiver. That pin just comes out. Come back here, loosen these up. This won't go in unless it's loosened. So loosen it up. Push this back in. Tighten it up. And we'll move it right back over here, put it back in free wheel. Take the basket, go right on it. And as you see, this is the charger plugged in to the unit and then into the wall. And it charges up. You want to charge it overnight. There's a light indicator. It tells you when it's fully charged. With a 3-wheel, this does have your swivel seat. And you can adjust this. This is the GoGo ULTRA X, the new model, new seat design. I think these are going to be the new seats. That's the couple over there is the GoGo Sport, the GoGo Elite Traveler Plus. And this is going to be your lower class, but it's a good scooter, 300-pound weight capacity, lightweight, nice. Call us at 803-926-2224. Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. This is the S39.